All right, guys, it has stopped snowing. I'm cleaning again, making sure everything is off. But guys, I'm going to show you how deep the snow is. It is deep. Snowed that much. But watch. I am down there. Holy cow. Let's see. Yep. That deep. But look, it has stopped snowing. Everything is white. It has gotten brighter now. The sun is peeking out. Yep, there it is. There's the sun right there. And it dried up all the snow. Is the truck still on?
No, it just went off.
Went off. But we're stuck at a gas station. They're still here, so that's good. We got another car that's over there. We're waiting for the plow truck. But man, we can definitely make a snowman if we really wanted to. But we want to get out of here. So we're stuck. And it's barely snowing. I mean, it hasn't completely stopped snow. But I think it's the wind coming from the trees. Snow's on top of the lights. Crazy. Look at the back of the truck. How thick it is. Oh crap. The bed of the truck is snowed in. Holy cow. But yep. Oh. Even the hitch. Yeah, you can tell we stayed here for a little bit. Stayed here for a little bit, guys. Alright, let's go ahead and see if we can make a snowball. Right here. We'll make the snowball real quick. There we go. We're making it. We're making the snowball. All right. Look at that, Nick. With one hand, making a snowball with one hand. Look at that. The snowball is made. Now, put it right there. Switch hands. Whoa. Switch hands so I can throw it. Here we go. Let's see how far. Boom. No, because I didn't really pack it. But it's okay. Walking around. It's finally stopped snowing. I think I should go do an angel.
Yeah. You don't have snow clothes on.
I don't have snow clothes on. I have jeans, so they'll get wet. I don't have time.
No, we will have time.
Oh yeah, we'll have plenty of time to do all that. Let me walk down here, guys, and see if we can see the road. See if we can see the road. Don't enter that way. Snow pole. I'm gonna check the road out. It's definitely beautiful. Definitely beautiful out here. Till I walked See the road. This is the road out of here. There's no cars on this road, it looks like. Getting deeper again. Yeah, I won't be able to make it out of here. Maybe. Okay, there's the road. Here comes the snowplow. Here they come. Heck yeah. Getting it done. Heck yeah. Here we go. Which way is he going? Oh, he's spinning tires. All right, that's a good sign. It's a good sign, folks. Yep, they're plowing the road. We're gonna get out of here. Heck yeah, we're out of here, folks. All we gotta do is just wait a little bit and they'll come get us. But there's nobody on the roads. Luckily, they plowed it. Hopefully, that seems only one plowed truck. So we'll wait maybe another hour or so. Hopefully the roads will be plowed and ready to go. So we're out of here. Let's get it going. I think that's it for the snowfall. That's good. You can get up out of here. Whew! Pretty deep. Heck yeah. They're plowing the roads. Yep. Huh? Yep. No, they only did one row. Yeah, one side of the road. He came up from the valley.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's a sign of our butts getting out of here. So we are that deep of snow. It's like, holy cow. Unbelievable. But I'm taking all the snow off so we can at least have a drivable car without a snow. But I'm gonna try to dig around this stuff so we can get out of here. The sun is coming out, it's shining, so the roads will be slippery. Oh, they got Starlink right there. I'll be darned. Hey Nick, they have Starlink here.
What?
They have Starlink here. See if we can jump on their Wi-Fi. Yeah, right. But anyways, the sun's coming out. Hopefully it'll start melting stuff and they can get these roads done. Oh yeah, that thing from the roof is gonna slide right off of that. Huh. Cool.
It's called Hidden Destinations and it's not. It's locked.
What's hidden destination?
A place that has Wi-Fi.
Oh, really?
And
Nice.
it's locked.
And it's locked? Man. But look how deep that thing is. Crazy. But yeah, we're at Crane Flat Service Station General Store. And it's totally wiped out. Not even open. Oh, gas is $4.68. Okay. Not bad, not bad. We're out in the middle of nowhere. But that could have been when they close or something. But hey, the sun's coming out, guys. Sun's coming out. All right, guys. So now got some intel from an officer and a couple people. Luckily, we made the right decision, guys, to park here at this gas station and let the snow blow over and to get going. But we have paramedics, officers. There's about 20 to 35 cars on 120 right now. 4 cars have flipped over. 2 cars have flipped over and went over the cliff. At this time, we do not know if they are okay, but they are getting medical attention right now. And then down 141, where we were going down and sliding ourselves, where we made that decision to come here, there are 32 car pile up going down to San Francisco, going in that direction. So as of right now, we are stuck here. They're plowing the roads, but yeah, there's 4 or 5 people that walk down. They're doing a caravan coming down from off 120. They're only allowing 4-wheel drive vehicles to come down the road. All the 2-wheel drive vehicles are staying put until they plow the road. But as of right now, hopefully the first people that came down here, oh my God, hold on. Well, forgot I was pumping gas, and
Oh, you filled it.
yep, it's full tank, but it was $60 total
You're
here.
still pumping.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. 6:30.
Yes, no shit.
Just stop it.
It stopped. Don't you see it?
No, it's still going.
Okay, is it moving?
Yes.
Wow. It's all the way down.
Well, hang it up so it's not getting charged. The fuck you mean?
Yeah, there's no liquid coming out. Look.
Wow, and it's still charging.
And it's still charging.
Wow, hurry up and get it out. Wow, that's crazy. How long has it been doing that?
Well, it's been full tank, so And-
$60 for half a tank though?
12 gallons.
Yeah,
So
but we
the-
didn't really get that because it was nothing coming out.
Yes, receipt. All right. Anyway, so now that now we got to figure out what's going on with that. But we do have a full tank, so we have to do the math. $60 on 12 gallons. I think that is right.
So you're saying that
At $4.68. That's actually better price, because when we get to California, it's going to be $6 a gallon, and we want to have a full tank for this ride home. So fingers crossed that we can get out of here and make sure that everything is good. But I wanted to give you guys an update on what's happening here in the mountains of the snow. Luckily, and thank God, we made that decision. Luckily, the guy behind us in the car, he made the decision to stay put as well. Thank God. But luckily, everybody is okay. We don't know what is happening to the other folks that went off over the cliff, but they slid over the cliff. So fingers crossed that we get out of here safe and sound. I will keep you guys up to date, up to par. God bless all of you. As a crazy day it's been. Look at the moon, guys. The moon Man, beautiful. So we're here in Yosemite still, stuck behind a 30-car pileup.
Yeah, so if you hear on the news about stuck people in Yosemite, that's us.
Yep,
We're stuck.
we're stuck out here. We got the police, ambulance out here trying to lead this convoy out of here. These are the ones that did not go over the cliff. Okay, there they go. So are they... I think they're taking a left. Yep. Yep. There they go.
At least we have it on film, you know? Might wreck, might go off a cliff, might slide, might whatever, but hey, we'll have it on film.
Yep.
Oh, just be super here. I would follow these tracks.
Yep.
But it's probably going to be a minute before we can get out. That looks like the plow truck at the end of the road.
Is it tow truck maybe?
Oh, yeah. Some are going right, some are going left. We want to go left now, right?
I don't know.
I mean, I would do whatever they recommended.
Oh, they got their chains on, see?
Uh-huh. Yeah, we should do the same thing, man. This is dangerous as hell. Yeah, going left. Yeah, that is a tow truck.
Yeah. Oh, they got their snow chains on their front tire.
Yep. Why is he backing up? He's coming up to talk to you.
Oh, that's one of the cars that flipped.
Oh, wow. Yep. Anybody need an ambulance? That's what they're asking people.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. That's the van. That's the kid's van.
No, it's not.
It's not?
No.
That definitely crashed.
Yeah, it crashed, but that's not the one that flipped.
Oh, it just hit the
Yeah.
something in front of it. Wow. Ooh.
How you doing? No. So we wanted to ask, we've been out here the whole time.
Yeah.
So do we jump in here, and where would be our best bet to
Where are you
get
trying
up?
to go?
We want to go back to Tahoe.
You're not going this
Oh,
way.
I know that part, but I'm saying if
What would be the best way?
solution.
I would go down
Valley?
through Wawona
Okay.
to Fresno.
Okay, Fresno.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
all right, awesome. Thank you so
Sorry,
much.
what?
Restroom. Oh, they have the blowover people.
You have the blowover people?
Yeah, the people that,
Went over the cliff.
yeah.
So they did survive. Good. This is craziness. Pure craziness.
Yep, so now hold on because we're going to go right through this thing.
Yep. Let him get out of the way.
Yep. So the best way would be the valley? Best way valley?
For you guys, if you're comfortable driving in the snow,
No?
I would exit out for Wawona.
Okay.
But if you want to get out of the snow the quickest,
Yes.
I would take go down 140.
Okay, awesome.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
buddy. Hold on.
Alright, slow.
No, you want to go.
Slow and steady.
There we go.
Alright, we did it. Yeah.
Best way, get to Fresno, the safest way.
Fresno, best way is
yes.
probably going to be taking a left here,
Okay.
and you're going to go all the way down to the bottom and take a right at the bottom of that.
Okay.
So that would be what? 9?
That's going to be the 40.
40? Okay.
Yep, going
Awesome.
up that way through El
Sweet.
Portal is probably going to be a safer bet than
Awesome.
where
we
are
want
currently.
safe.
Yeah,
Yes.
safe.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
buddy. Have a good one, buddy. Yes, sir.
Unless you can make it out to the 140 out through Wawona, that would be a safe, quick way too.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Well, we just definitely.
The other guy said, the other cop said that's snow though.
Yeah.
Wanoma.
Yep.
But whatever, we'll see how it looks as we drive.
Yep.
That's cool that they do that though, that they help you.
Huh?
It's cool that they help you though. I hope nobody comes up this way. They shouldn't, right?
No.
They should have it blocked off, I would
Yep.
hope.
Yep. And if they do, we share the road.
Yeah.
All right, we're moving.
Yay.
Hopefully,
It's a safe move.
yeah.
God.
All right, it says right there, Fresno, 115.
Yeah, 41.
41?
Yep.
All right.
So that's what we're doing.
There's the moon up there. It's getting dark now.
Yep. Now we're gonna be riding in the dark.
Yep. And this is the way that we freaking came up.
I know.
We
That
should have
sucks.
just stayed down there.
Yeah, but who knew?
Right.
We didn't have service to know. Well, and we were trying to go to the redwoods before the snow.
Oh, yeah.
That's what screwed us.
Yep, the redwood.
But Wanoma had redwoods too. If I would have known that was the way out.
Yeah, we could have went that way. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and remember these roads get really, really, really spicy right here.
Yep.
Uh-oh, someone's already stopped. Okay, no. I was about to say, don't fucking stop. Don't do it. I don't want to be stuck on the road. I don't want to be stuck on the road. They are stopped. In the middle of the road, it looks like. It's people, I tell you. It's people who ruin everything.
Yep. Yeah, because you're not supposed to stop.
No. Just roll, man. Just keep it fucking rolling.
Just keep it going.
I know you're scared, but roll. Roll. Because I'd rather roll than be stuck.
Alright. We're getting out of here slowly. Look at everything. It's white.
So white.
So white.
First time in Yosemite, and we're stuck in
Yeah.
Yosemite.
Stuck in,
Look at that tree. Oh,
yeah, it's down.
falling over. Just careful, careful.
Yeah. I don't think they did a good enough job.
No. Well, that's why I think they said people with four-wheel drive. And that's what I meant to ask him, damn it. Tell him we didn't have four-wheel drive. Because they probably see a truck and just assume. But they told that's a car behind us.
Yeah.
And he don't have four-wheel drive.
No. And I'm going to stay on this side because it looks like it's more of a...
Yeah, and when we get to the cliffs, it's over to the right side.
Yeah.
Just as long as somebody comes up.
Yeah, we don't want that. Well, we're moving. We'll
Yeah,
keep
so you want me to
guys
come back
posted.
up on when we get close to a cliff?
Yep.
Just in case.
Oh man, look at that cliff. Holy smokes.
Yeah, we're right on the edge of it. And look at that beautiful sky there.
There's a lot of cops.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. I mean, there's a big top there for some reason. We're about to pass it. So we're gonna find out, but this is the way the cops told us to go. Scary. And this car's scared to death. And they're gonna end up causing an accident because of how slow they were. Oh, yes, look at that cliff. Right here.
Oh, there's a pile up down there.
Is that what it is? A pile up? Yep. Yep. There is something going on.
I don't understand why people can't just move.
Drive. Yeah, I know.
Just drive.
Right. Yeah, it looks like brake lights way back, too. Way back. Wonderful. So hopefully we don't get stuck on this road.
Yeah.
On this cliff. Wow. Yeah, I'd rather be sitting at the gas station than on a cliff, you know? Right here. Here's, not gonna be fun. Yep.
Unless hopefully they're plowing it.
Yeah, but they haven't moved since we've been on this road. Okay. It's so dark, but look at that cliff. No, but you can tell it's a deep cliff. Ooh, ooh, gross. Gross,
It's scary.
very scary on icy roads. On icy roads. And you got that whole cliff right down there. See the treetop? And the skyline.
Beautiful sunset.
Beautiful.
It's like beautiful sunset. Yay! Over the cliff.
Yeah, right. Yeah, they acted like there's a couple ways, so I don't know. It does look like it's up, but I really... It's not recorded.
Alright guys, alright, we've made it down in the valley. We are heading to Fresno's now. There's no snow down here. Snow 5,000 and under, there is no snow. Snow 5,000 and up, 4 inches of snow. Wish I knew that, but hey, at least we're safe and we're heading back. Alright, so it's a 1-lane bridge that we're about to go across. Says stop here when red. So we stopped. Expect delays. And then the bridge is right there. Very interesting. So let's
This is why you
see.
can't have anything with 45 foot.
Oh, yep. And so tall. It looks like a cage.
I've never been on anything like it.
No, this is weird.
And why is it red for so long?
Yeah, there's nobody coming.
Right.
We got a car coming across the bridge now. Damn, hauling at it. Another couple cars. There's some different color headlights. Alright, so that should be the last of the Mohicans. Yep, now we should go. Still waiting.
And it has a camera, I think, too. So.
Plus they stop here. That's only on green.
And it has a camera up there, I think, at that light.
So I guess we'll just sit here and wait. It's the longest light in the middle of nowhere. There we go. It's green. Green means go. Here we go.
I think they just make sure they give everybody enough time to eat.
Right. Oh no, there's no roof on here.
No, that's a one way.
Right, but what I'm saying,
Yeah, you thought it was.
you can fit. A 40-footer can fit on there.
It's about the length, not the height.
Oh wow, this whole thing is,
Oh, wow.
the whole road
It's a one way.
is one way.
Oh my god, I thought that was headlights.
What the heck? This whole thing is one lane.
Wow. That's weird.
Wow. Very interesting.
And that's why the light's so weird.
Yep.
Another bridge?
Yep, that's what it looks like. Another bridge. What? The heck? Crazy. Oh, there's the end. Man, that is crazy. 226. Look what we get. Woo-wee! Look at this place.
Yeah.
We got ourselves a nice hotel here. King size bed. Nice like a real big old television. It even says welcome Nikki on the TV. That is sick. And even check this out. I like this. Watch this. It's electric.
Oh, it's so fancy.
It's electric. Look at that. There's
comfortable, actually. Damn.
there's the highway.
Not a great view, but
Not a great view, but hey. But we got it. So we can go night night.
it's comfortable.
Yeah, Nick's already in bed. Check out the bathroom. What? This sucker's huge. What's going down? Big old bath with 2 shower heads. And shampoo, conditioner, and body wash right there. Boom, right there. 3 right there. Don't gotta use nobody's. And then hand soap. What? Okay. This is the Hilton. It's called True by Hilton. We are staying about an hour from San Francisco. We have tomorrow off. We're going to take tomorrow off and go check out San Francisco again. You guys already seen San Francisco, so we're not going to film that. We're going to take our time and enjoy it ourselves. But hopefully you guys enjoyed Yosemite. We finally got out of Yosemite with no problems. They plowed the road. They got us safely off the mountains. It took 4 hours for us to get off, but we did it, and they saved the day. So now it's rest time. Make the video, put the video together, and then have a good day off tomorrow. But I might have something in store for you guys tomorrow. Don't know yet, but stay tuned. Again, thank you guys for watching Wyckoff's Adventures right here on all platforms. You guys have a wonderful night. See you on the next one.